Hi and welcome, it's Marlena Burton. Welcome to SHG. SHG is the place to be. Guys, see if this mission resonates with you. If it does, let's help you get started today. Join our mission to help 1 million+ families become financially abundant. Our full-time freedom team has a mission to empower 5,000 grateful people to live abundantly free. If that resonates with you, let's definitely connect and get you in the process. So my number is 618-223-6006. My website is thankgod.savingshighwayglobal.com. And there are no health savings or income guarantees. All results vary. So let's see what we have here. Let's go to the opportunity link. Okay, I want you to say this with me. I refuse to complicate a super simple system. Okay, so in 2019, we blew this company up by sharing a video on our website. So I want you to keep it that simple. So step 1 is to watch the compensation plan introduction video done by our founder, Steve Gresham. Step number 2, watch the compensation plan video. So in 15 minutes, you're going to know just about everything you need to know to succeed in this company. So decide if you want to save money, if you want to make money, or if you want to do both. So now you have a choice. You can join, you can read more about the compensation plan videos. So where do you see yourself getting started now that you watched those 2 videos? Gold or platinum? Okay, let's go to the Get Started link. So make a decision. Would you like to start at gold for $20 or platinum for $100? The decision is completely up to you. Just get started someplace, okay? So connect with me, 618-223-6006, and let's get you in the process. Let's get you on the road to full-time freedom. Guys, I'm enjoying week number 34 of vacation right now, and I want the same for you. I want you to live your dream life and empower at least 3 other people or 10 people or more to do the same. Thank you, thank you, thank you for your time. We have savings on just about everything, so just say yes and let's go. Time is of the essence. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God's best to you, and I appreciate your time. Bye for now.